The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur is well known for its exquisite craftsmanship, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. The Flying Spur boasts a sporty attitude, a characteristic Bentley grille, pronounced haunches, and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. The Flying Spur interior is opulent and luxurious, with quality leather, wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Bentley provides many customization options for the 2024 Flying Spur, letting clients to tailor the vehicle to their specifications. Buyers can customize their vehicle with a variety of paint colors, interior trims, upholstery selections, and other amenities. Overall, the Bentley Flying Spur is the peak of elegance and performance in the sedan market, with its exquisite design, excellent craftsmanship, and tremendous driving dynamics. The dashboard is nicely designed and features a mix of wood veneers, metal accents, and leather trim. The controls are intuitively arranged and include a mix of classic and modern design features. The Flying Spur is outfitted with a modern infotainment system, which includes a high-resolution touchscreen display that handles navigation, audio, and vehicle settings. It may also enable smartphone integration, which allows you to smoothly connect your mobile device. The Bentley Flying Spur may feature rear seat entertainment screens put into the front seat backs, providing entertainment alternatives for rear passengers. Bentley provides a premium audio system, which is often designed in partnership with renowned audio producers such as Naim. These systems produce great sound quality and are specifically designed for the vehicle's interior. The interior may include adjustable ambient lighting, allowing you to set the mood with various colors and intensities. The Flying Spur seats are luxurious and comfortable, with power adjustability, heating, and ventilation options. They may also have massaging functions to improve passenger comfort during long travels. The Bentley Flying Spur's basic engine is a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine that generates exceptional power and performance, with roughly 626 horsepower and 664 pound-ft of torque. The engine enables the Flying Spur to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in 3.7 seconds and reach a top speed of around 207 miles per hour, 333 kilometers per hour. In addition to the W12 engine, Bentley provides a V8 engine option for the Flying Spur. The V8 engine is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing somewhat less power and performance than the W12. The V8 engine generates approximately 542 horsepower and 568 pound-ft of torque, allowing the Flying Spur V8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.0 seconds and reach a top speed of around 198 miles per hour, 319 kilometers per hour. The Bentley Flying Spur comes with a complete array of active and passive safety features aimed at preventing accidents and mitigating potential hazards. The Flying Spur is outfitted with a full complement of airbags throughout the interior, including front, side, and curtain airbags, as well as modern driver support technology like a 360-degree video system, night vision aid, and blind spot detection. Furthermore, the Bentley Flying Spur includes modern driver support systems such as a 360-degree video system, night vision assistance, and blind spot monitoring. In summary, the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur prioritizes safety through cutting-edge technology and strong structure.